Deadbolt and the Foxx playing in the water. Oh, where you going? You're gonna fall off that cliff. Jackass. Whoa! Oops. I'll follow you, Deadbolt.
Sure about that?
Yep. Open diffs and all, just a little thin fluid in there.
Alright, let's see if you can follow.
Uh-oh, I forgot my tires are wet. Oh boy. Oh! I don't know about that. Oh! That was awesome. Ah, my Foxx! Lucky. If it would have went down there, that's the bottomless falls. Alright. My brother wants to see if I can follow him again. Where you going, brother? Oh boy.
Where you going?
No, I'm following you.
Got it to go off?
Oh, of course. Oh, I ain't gonna get up there. What are you, crazy? Oh, smack, I did. Telling you, this Kyosho Foxx pretty good. I'm sunk. Oh yeah. Steve Ish NRC, I'm with my brother here. We're gonna do the Kyosho Foxx on 2S versus the Deadbolt. 3, 2, 1, go. I guess the Deadbolt lost. Let's see, I'm gonna try to go slow. That rock's so slippery, look. What's there? What tires are them? J Concept landmines, and they slip like glass. I'll try to go slow with this. Oh! Just slipping out. Let's try over here. Slipper to...
Oh.
Gotta have power. That's it, guys. See you later.